Sorry, man. I need to go get some water, man. This is really tense.
Let's do this.
Alright. Hold on a second. Gotta get my Pokemon cards out. Alright, you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright.
First.
Hoodled! Meow! He wins. Nuh-uh. Yeah!
No, he has 50, he has 50.
Yeah, but look, Pet is 20. I win.
Yeah, but Cat Punch is 20.
So what means I win?
Hey, next one.
Don't you treat my Pokemon cards like that. Mom!
Kids?
Rex,
Yep.
feed the dogs and bring up and snick at their sausage.
Okay, Mom. Back to Pokemon cards.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, man. Well, that was cheap, just to let you know here. Alright. Let me see here.
Here.
Profile! Skippy meow.
Starlax.
Not fair!
Yeah, fair.
He wins!
Nuh-uh.
Look, 90-80. I win. That's 10. I win.
No.
Yes!
Next one.
No!
Yes.
You're fine. Onyx!
Blaze Charmander.
He wins. Yep.
No.
Yep.
No, I have 50, you have 90. 90 minus 50 is 110. So I win. Yeah.
Just because I'm black. No!
Whatever. Next one.
People these days don't know how to play Pokemon. Lapras.
Pikachu.
He wins.
No, Pikachu does. Pikachu is Ashes. Pikachu always wins.
Just because he's Ash's card doesn't mean, or whatever, doesn't mean he's the champ. Now Pikachu loses and Lapras wins. Woo!
No, Hunter Spider.
Dude! Oh yeah?